Now we are at Corfu airport. From here we will depart for Santorini island. The fastest way to get from Corfu to Santorini island is to fly, which takes approximately 5 hours. Santorini is one of the most stunning islands in Greece, famous for its whitewashed houses, blue domed churches, and breathtaking sunsets over the Aegean Sea. The island was formed by a massive volcanic eruption thousands of years ago, which shaped its dramatic cliffs and caldera. Boat tours around the caldera, exploring the ancient archaeological site, and hiking the Fira path are highly recommended activities here. We stayed in Hotel Daedalus. The Daedalus Hotel is located in the center of Fira, the capital of this island, and it offers easy access to restaurants, shops, bus stops, and taxis, but a little far from the caldera views, which is the main attraction of this area. It was 9:30 in the morning. We went to have breakfast, which was still available there. After breakfast, we spent the whole day exploring around Fira. Now I am showing you some of our moments spent in Fira, the capital of Santorini.